The Salt Lake Institute of Genealogy presents the second annual Academy for Professionals in January 2020. Take your professional skills to new heights. At SLIG Academy, you will learn from the field's top professionals, obtain in-depth instruction, network with other professionals, consult with respected experts, and research at the Family History Library. Registration opens July 13, 2019 at 2 p.m. Mountain Time. We've asked the course coordinator to tell us a little bit about the course to help you decide if it is the right fit for you. Certified genealogist Angela Packer-McGhie is the course coordinator for the Art of Writing Client Reports. Keep watching to learn more about her background and the course.
My name is Angela McGhie, and I'm a certified genealogist who loves genealogy education. I teach at several of the major genealogical institutes, and I serve as the education director for the National Genealogical Society.
How long have you been working on genealogy, and how did you become interested in it?
I've been working on genealogy for over 20 years. I started as a teenager. My grandmother was a genealogist and my mother was very interested in family history. But at that time, I was more interested in the stories about my ancestors and the photos. So I interviewed both of my grandmothers to get information on the family, and I went and visited every family member and great aunt to find photos so I could make a 4-generation pedigree. So it's just been in maybe the last 15 years that I really focused on research and in-depth genealogy and then becoming a professional.
Have you had any prior SLIG experience?
I have been attending SLIG for over a decade, for several years as a student, and then I started as an instructor and then became a course coordinator. And I love attending SLIG and spending January with my genealogy colleagues every year.
What course will you be coordinating?
I will be coordinating the course on the Art of Writing Client Reports featured at the SLIG Academy.
Please tell us about the course.
This course will feature hands-on activities to give people practice writing research reports. This is a skill that's best learned by doing, like any type of writing. And so we'll be going through each element of a research report and practicing writing not only the research notes, but incorporating analysis or explaining how you solved the problem or why you looked at certain types of records.
What are the main topics covered in the course?
In this course, we're going to cover all the elements included in a client report. And so we'll go over technical writing and how to say things clearly and effectively. We'll discuss organizing material and what to include and when to include images or transcriptions or notes or analysis. We'll talk about how to explain how you solved the case to the client and why you looked at certain types of records. We'll also talk about including visual elements to make the report appealing or different ways to present information that would be concise in a table format, in a timeline, in a research log or research notes, as well as time-saving measures.
Who would benefit the most from this course?
Anyone who wants to communicate research results with other people would get a lot out of this course, but usually it's going to be professional genealogists or those who want to start taking clients and would like to learn how to write research reports.
What basic knowledge should students have before taking the course?
Students should already be skilled researchers and know how to formulate a research question, a research plan, and conduct the research. And then in this course, we'll focus on writing up the research results and communicating that with the client.
What should students expect to learn by the end of the course?
The students should expect to get lots of hands-on practice writing research reports. So almost every session there will be hands-on activities, so they should bring a laptop, as practice is the best way that we can learn this skill. And by the end of the week, we will have written every element of a research report.
What makes your course unique?
One of the benefits of this course is being able to see a variety of professional research reports. I've collected about 20 different reports that we will use in a session on analyzing whether they meet the standards, but the students love to spend other time in class looking at the different types of reports. Some of them incorporate DNA evidence or their forensic reports, or they have a research log or notes, and they can see a variety of different styles of reports and choose which ones fit their own client issues or their own style.
We hope you enjoyed learning about the Art of Writing Client Reports course for SLIG Academy. Registration for SLIG Academy courses opens July 13th, 2019. Check out the website slig.ugagenealogy.org for more information.